Okay, guys, we're wrapping up the end of the year, and as part of the end of year project, you're going to need to start compiling some of the pieces of work that show mastery. And what you'll ideally do is collect a broad range of different things. So it could be Desmos graphs that you made, it could be Mathematica programs, it could be hard problems, it could be proofs, it could be examples of your blog. It could be anything that shows excellent work. Ideally, as a all of the pieces would represent kind of the collective way in which we've thought about math and thought about learning in this class. So where is that housed? Well, you've had this tab now for a while, exemplary work. Some of you have been using it, some of you haven't. But in this exemplary work is where you are going to store maybe 5 to 10 pieces of really extraordinary work. It could be work that you've done already. It could be work that you've decided to take on and complete by the end of the year. So what you do is you say, okay, I want to show my exemplary work, and this is just a bunch of files or links. I already put an image here, so one thing I could do is I could add something from Google Drive, and this is really convenient. So I was just doing I was grading a bunch of your quizzes, so that's why those are showing up. But if I wanted to, let's see, just look at some images, and I said, oh, this is a good example of I'm not sure whose work this is, but this is a good example of excellent work. I could click on that, select it, and now that's an example of my good work. You could also add links. So if it's a URL, if it's a YouTube you made or something that's just a link, you can add it that way. Or if you wanted to add a file, so you could, for example, I might want to add something from Mathematica. So here's some programs. Maybe I want to do this perpendicular lines program. So this is a place for you to aggregate or collect rather examples of exemplary work, things that you're proud of, things that represent all that we've done this year. Thank you, guys.